So hi Dave, here's a little video as promised about shuffle grooves, a little later than I'd planned to do it for you, but it's been one of those kind of weeks. So what we're going to do is to take the basic shuffle groove, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so we're going to start by just playing a triplet roll, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But it's going to be right, right, left. Okay, so that then if we play the right hand on the hi-hat gives us right, left, right, 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 right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, or 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And then on the 2, I'm going to play the downbeat as well. So it's going to be 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2. So I'm going to try and play that, the trip part. So I'm going to play the downbeat on 2, 1, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So on the 2 and the 4 I'm playing the downbeat, and I'm playing the trip. I'm trying to play that lightly. So against the right cymbal. So it's downbeat and then tap. Very close together for the 2 triplet and the 4 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3. Okay, hope that helps.